Happy birthday, Tita Ran. We wish you all the best. We love you. I really miss your lychee flan. Mwah. Love you.
Hello, Manangay! Happy birthday na sa imo. Dalaga ka na, study hard, and good health. Be beautiful always. God bless. Love you.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Rai! Rai, happy birthday! So, more blessing na ipagkaloob ng Panginoon sa iyo. Be faithful. And maging masunurin sa Mommy Daddy. Maging mabait na bata. No? So, study well para sa iyong future. Then, nandito lang kami. We always praying for you, together your family. At salamat sa Panginoon na nakaabot ka sa ganung edad, no? So, again, maraming salamat sa karagdagang taon na binigyan ng Panginoon sa iyo. At nawa maging daan pa yan upang higit o maging tapat ka. So, muli, happy birthday to you.
We love you.
God bless.
Happy birthday!
Ngayon, halong na pirmiha, be safe, good ka, lagaan mo pirmi mo ang galingon. Happy birthday!
Ngayon, happy 10th birthday sa luwat. Wish ko sa inyo good health, study hard. Luwat, happy birthday.
Manoray, happy birthday! 18 ka na, talaga ka na. Kabay pa maging matutong ka sa simbahan, tapos yung imo mga eskwela, hindi mo pabayaan. I love you.
Happy birthday, Manuray!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday!
Hello, Manang Ryan. Happy birthday. Tito Raymond is not around, but I'm sure he wants to greet you also. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. You are now a young lady. Keep going. Keep growing. Keep focusing on becoming a good person you are. We love you.
Hi, Dayran. Happy birthday. Bilaga ka na, 18 ka na. Pangalipay ko nga maging happy kanit sa imo birthday. Dalag, kung maging kabay pa nga, maging butanan ka. Kag lagi ka lang mag-pray kay God. Na magpakabuot ka. Kayo mo pagtuon. Makatapos ka sa imo pag-eskwela. Ako lang na balsa mo. Kung bisan wala kami dira, happy man kami diri. Magdadaaw sa inyo dira. Pero, ano pa nga bahay ko lang, napakayusin mo. Talanggaan mo lang si Toto, Daniel. Ano man si mami mo, si daddy mo. Magpalanggaan ay ka mo. Kirayo ka mo diri sa akon. I love you sa inyong tanan. Happy birthday.
Okay.
Na?
Yes.
Happy 18th birthday, Ryan!
Praying for you a God-centered adult life.
We love you!
Happy 18th birthday, Inday Ryan. I want you to study hard and remember to keep the Lord at the center of your life always. Always honor your mommy and daddy and be a loving sister to Daniel. God bless you always. And again, happy 18th birthday.
Hello, Ryan! Happy 18th birthday from, of course, your Kuya Johan and...
Ate Tita.
Gusto mo ba maging tita?
Wag
Kasi
naman.
Ate
Oo.
Sheena.
Ryan, we pray that you will continue to, Aina,
Yan si Kuya.
that you will continue to have that heart to love your parents and also study hard, katulad nga ng sinabi ni Tita Pai. And we pray
Study harder.
harder. Oo, pero not put
very hard.
pressure
Okay.
sa'yo.
No
And
pressure.
we pray ni Kuya Johan, na makita ka namin ulit, makasama ka namin dito sa Pilipinas.
Diyan sa Canada.
Sa Canada na? Oo. praying.
We'll see you
yeah.
there.
We'll
So
see
God
you.
bless you and have a blast. Love you.
Love you.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.
A whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Now I'm in a whole new world with
Unbelievable sights, indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky. A whole new world.
Don't you dare close your eyes.
100,000
Hold your breath, it
things to
gets better.
see. I'm like a shooting star. I've come so far. I can't go back to where I used to be. Every turn a surprise. Every moment gets better. I'll change them anywhere. There's time to spare.
Oh, let me share
This whole new world with you.
a whole new world.
It's a whole new world.
A whole new
It's a whole new world.
Let me share